Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class MEd third semester. We will discuss the topic education measurements or the measurement and education process. Measurement defined. Process of quantifying individuals' achievements, personality, attitudes, habits, and skills. Qualification of results of observable phenomena. Process of assigning symbols to dimensions of phenomena. Okay, an operation performed on the physical world by an observers. Process by which information about the attributes or characteristics of things are determined and differentiated. Functions of measurements. Functions of measurements are classified into following groups. First, instructional function. Instructional functions is categorized in following types. Number 1, principal or basic purpose, to determine what knowledge, skill, abilities, habits and attitudes have been acquired, to determine what progress or extent of learning attained, and to determine strength, weakness, difficulties and needs of students. Function of measurements. Firstly, secondary auxiliary function for effective teaching and learning, to help in study habits formation and to develop the efforts making capacity of students, and now to serve as aid for guidance, counseling and prognosis. Next, administrative or supervisory function of measurements, to maintain standards and to classify or select it for special purpose, and to determine teachers' efficiency, effectiveness of methods, strategies and strategy used, strength, weakness and needed, and standard of instructions, to serve as basis or guide for curriculum making and developing, and to serve as guide in educational planning of administrators and supervisors, and to set up norms of performance and to inform parents of their children's progress in school. And next point, to serve as basic for research. Qualities of a good measuring instruments. First quality is validity, contents, concurrents, predictives and constructs, and reliability, adequacy, objectivity, testing conditions, test administration procedures. And next, usability, AG in administration, scoring, interpretation and application, low cost, proper mechanical makeup. Okay, next, validity, content validity and concurrent validity. Firstly, concurrent validity, face validity or logically validity used in evaluating achievements test. Second point, concurrent validity, test agrees with or correlates with a criterion. And next point, predictive validity, degree of accuracy of how test predicts the level of performance in activity which it intends to foretells. Constructive validity agreements of the test with the theoretical constructs are tracks. Okay. Next, reliability methods of testing. Reliability test retest methods use Spearman rank correlation coefficients and parallel forms, alternative forms, paired observation or correlates, split Hopf methods, odd even Havels and computed using Spearman-Brown formula. And next, internal consistency methods. Next, score reliability methods. Okay. Next point, tests. Classification of tests according to manner of response. Test can be divided into following types: oral and written test. Second, according to methods of preparations: subjective, essay or and objectives. According to nature of answers, test can be divided into following types: intelligence test, personality test, attitude test, prognostic test, diagnostic test, achievement test and performance test, etc. Classification of measuring instruments. Firstly, standard test, psychological test, intelligence test, attitude test, personality test, vocational and professional interest inventory, and second, educational test. And next, teacher made test, planning, preparing, reproducing, administering, scoring, evaluating, interpreting test. Okay, thank you.